Hey everybody, it's Full Throttle Kind of Guy coming at you on Friday. TGIF, it's Friday. So, hey, updates today for you. Got a bit of mail call, and I've got an update on the Ford 390 FE project. So, stick around. And if you've never been on the channel before, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. In an earlier video, I offered opportunity to do decal exchanges. The offer still stands. I did get a person to want to do an exchange with me, and it was Honest Peyton's Speed Shop. Hey, a great channel. As a matter of fact, they're in a promotion right now where you can help them by getting into further rounds on a contest. I believe it's on Instagram that they have the voting. They're currently in the third round, so they've actually made a lot of traction. No pun intended with cars, but traction cars, waka waka. I know, don't quit my day job. So Honest Peyton sent me some decals, as I have also done to Honest Peyton as well. So let's take a look and see what's crack-a-lacking in the house of Honest Peyton. Ooh, nice. Hey now. So I've got Honest Peyton's Speed Shop. Nice little decal there. Also got for their 32 that they've currently got going on. There's another really nice one as well. Really quality decals as well. So if you're looking to get some decals and gussy up your toolbox and whatnot, hit up Honest Peyton. Here's another one. Here's some of the goings of the workshop right there too. So a little action behind the scenes there for you. So if you like that behind the scenes stuff. And then this is a really cool one. Look at that. So again, nice, legit decals. So hit them up, give them a like, give them a subscribe, and check them out. You'll be really enthusiastic about what they're doing, in the shop, especially when it's a second generation shop, trying to help and educate the next generations in that. So going back to the Ford, the F390, or excuse me, FE390, I had to order some parts, and you got to shop around. I got to maximize my budget because, hey, who's not on a budget? We don't have like a bottomless paycheck to work with every single week, and that's so you got to make your dollar stretch. Finding gaskets can be a little bit of a chore. Sometimes you kind of have your little sources. eBay as a whole, it's kind of hit or miss. I don't even try Amazon. It's really not worth it. But one reliable source I can go to, and I've had good experience. You hear a little bit of everything with them. So your mileage may vary, as they would say. I like using RockAuto. Same parts, but really good prices. So I've got the intake manifold gaskets. Remember I told you I like Felpro. Really nice gasket. I believe it has a metal core in it as well. Raised ports. The China wall gaskets, I throw them out, and I use a heavy bead of silicone to get the job done. But the part number for this one gasket is MS, Mike Sierra, 90145. Mike Sierra, 90145. Great gasket, great bang for your buck, and if anything, that'll help you avoid the dreaded collapsing of the ports like in the one Edelbrock gasket. Let's see what else I got in the other box. That movie 7, remember? What's in the box? I do have some other parts coming via mail because I'm trying to get stuff locally now. Your options are kind of limited. And then also, like I said, between pricing and that, to get these two items with shipping to my door was only $44, which again is not bad. Try to look at the price of gaskets now, and also the next part that I got. Again, from the house of Felpro. These are the Permatort gaskets. These are legit. They've been around for quite a while. You know, pretty much you can set them, forget them, and you know they're a good quality gasket. And the part number on that is going to be 8554 PT, Papa Tango, or going to PT physical training. Anyways, again, 8554 PT. I got a pair of the gaskets. I've got basically a Felpro gaskets to get the upper end done. So that's where we're at this point in time. I'm just waiting on my parts to roll in. I'm going to reuse the head bolts. Look, it's just going to be a bolt together. Let's get this thing up and running, and you know whatever happens down the road, you know we'll just take it from there. So if we end up doing a cam or other upgrades, you know how it is with speed. Once you start going fast, you got to go a little bit fast. You're always looking for those things. So at least I've got some of the intrinsic parts together. I've got some other things already in-house. Like I said, I want to wait for everything to kind of get together, and then we'll go ahead and put it together. So just a quick recap on what's going on, so you know, hey, I haven't forgotten you guys. And so to let you know what's going on in the house of Full Throttle kind of guy, that's where we're at. So again, thank you very much, Honest Peyton's Speed Shop. I appreciate you with the exchange and that. You'll probably be getting a Christmas card from me, you know, this upcoming season. I know we're just in March, but hey, just to let you know, it's coming. I save all those envelopes to send out cards when the holidays hit. And then it's also St. Patrick's Day weekend, so I believe it's falling on a Sunday, which the weather here in Oregon is going to be gorgeous. So Erin go bra, you know, get out there, enjoy a couple of beers responsibly, or if you want to go for the straight whiskey stuff, there's that too. So whatever you know floats your boat, as it were. I do have also a little get together coming up this Sunday at a local restaurant to get some of the local car guys that I've made contact with through Facebook and also Instagram. So give us a chance to kind of network, build our channels, get a little content going, and kind of get to know each other. And so that's going to be gearing more towards the car group called The Others. It's pretty much a menagerie of different cars, not dedicated to any one make or model, or you know, it could be import or domestic, don't care. As long as you're into cars and we've got that common ground, we can build everything else from there. It's one of those things I like to do, and you know, hey, let's have fun with this whole thing, and let's keep this hobby and this sport alive. So just again, quick wrap up where we're at. Got my gaskets going with Felpro the way to go. Got my decals from Honest Peyton, and it's going to be St. Patrick's Day. So get out there, have fun, make memories, spend time with the one you love, and you know, well, your car too. Or if it's your car, it's the one you love, hey, God love you. Get out there and go find yourself a fine Irish lass or whatever. So have yourself a great day. I'll probably have some more content coming up this Sunday. Look for me on my Instagram. Of course, YouTube, I'll post some images as well. So there's that. If you're new to the channel, thank you for helping me grow. I'm at 315 right now. Next stop, my goal is 350. And I've got a little surprise for the 350th subscriber. What I'm going to do is something that's not really unique, but it is kind of unique for me. I don't normally do things like this, but it's something out of my generosity to again thank everybody. And like I said, I'll have some more details on that. I'll probably roll it out this Sunday when I do my next update. So thank you much. Have a great day. Go out there and have some fun. Peace.